Hi, my name is Britt and welcome to my channel. My background is I'm a beauty therapist, holistic therapist. Today's video I'm going to show you how to use 2 jade rollers at the same time, just as if you were having a professional spa treatment, and how I would do a facial with a client. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First we're going to apply the skincare. I'm going to show you how to apply your skincare, and then we are going to get rolling. So if that sounds good to you, stick around. Okay, we're ready to begin. So first of all, I'm going to quickly show you how I would layer my skincare. You can do this treatment morning or evening. You can do it as often as you wish if you want to every day. So I'm just using a pea-sized amount. This is my Rock Retinol Correction Eye Cream. Always with your ring fingers apply, because that's the gentlest pressure, and you above the eye, and you apply your eye cream up here on the orbital area. Just make sure it's right up here and it's not going below the crease. So now we've done that, it's important before your water-based serum, make sure your skin is either still damp from cleansing or hydrate with a mist like what I'm going to do. So this is Roche Posay Thermal Spring Water. Ideal for sensitive skin if you don't want a mist with, or an essence with fragrance or any active ingredients. Now I'm going to use the ordinary marine hyaluronics. I use, this is very watery, water-based serum, so I use half a dropper. Apply it all down my face and neck. Always apply your water-based serums first. However, I did apply my Retinol Deep Wrinkle Serum beforehand, because that needs to be applied to dry skin. So just the same as my gua sha tutorial, I've did it the opposite way round. You either apply your facial oil of your choice. I'm using Rosehip seed oil for, of course, anti-aging benefits. I actually mix this with the ordinary natural moisturising factors plus HA. I'm just showing you the way I would do my skincare routine in the evening. Plus, you can skip a step. So I'm just going to use 4 drops because I am doing the Jade Roller, but you can use just a couple of drops in your regular skincare routine. Now I'm going to and now I'm going to mix the ordinary moisturizer, put a little bit more than normal. If you are just applying, if you want to apply your oil separately, always put it at the end of your skincare routine. Oils go last. If you're using a water-based light moisturizer like the ordinary, you put your oil on last. But if you're using a heavy moisturizer that has a lot of say shea butter, castor oils, heavy waxes, you would actually put your oil on first, because it won't be able to penetrate a really heavy moisturizer. I'm just going to apply a little bit more. I just feel that's not enough. So I already did a tutorial on how to use a jade roller, how to choose between a rose quartz or a jade roller, the benefits, etc, etc. I will do a quick recap while I'm doing this treatment, but I'm not going to go into as much depth since I already have the 101 tutorial up there. So make sure your skin is very well hydrated and you have enough slip. So I am using the Jade facial rollers from Ecotools. These are actually 100% jade and they're not too pricey, so yeah, you would have to invest in an extra roller to do two at the same time. And then we have the little ones at the other end here for doing under the eyes. To begin on the décolleté, very important area that's often neglected, and we always roll from the middle out because we're always going towards the lymph nodes. Just light pressure. The most important thing you're going to realise with this is to get the coordination. But it feels so nice because you're going to get your rolling done in half the time, and it just feels so much nicer to be doing the two sides of the face, neck, décolleté at the same time. The main thing is try not click them together, as we were always taught when you're doing facials. Don't clink your tools together. And with the rolling, it's important not to do this because, as I say, you're draining the lymph, so you're more, it's still light pressure, but more there's a pressure going out the way, not coming in. So we're working our way up here. Come to the neck, you're going to roll down, always down the direction of the lymph nodes. So we're draining the lymph down to the base of the neck. And then we're going to come to the jaw area. Now, if you're a teeth grinder like me, you might find this a little bit, you can feel the grittiness underneath, especially when you're doing gua sha. Wow, that really, you can really feel it then. And then we come to the mouth. I shouldn't really speak, but we're going to go across the mouth. This feels so nice and relaxing. And then we're going up the cheek. And then we're going to use our baby ones to go underneath the eyes. So just remember, light pressure. And going back to the large roller, I'm going to close my eyes and go right across the eyelids. When you go for the eye area, this is good for puffiness, dark circles, because you know we're improving the lymph and the blood circulation. Also good for sinus congestion. Across the forehead, always in the direction from the middle out. also go up the way if you like. And then we're going to end off on the third eye. This is so relaxing. The third eye, very important. Releases any stress and anxiety. And that is it. Voila. Just a quick recap of what does jade rolling do. So it's going to absorb, your skincare products are going to absorb better into the skin. It aids the absorption basically. It's good for lymphatic drainage. So we're releasing the toxins, and then you're going to have a much brighter, healthier, glowing complexion because we're improving the microcirculation, lymphatic circulation, the blood circulation. It's good for sinus congestion, puffiness, dark shadows. If you even want to just do the eyes in the morning when you wake up to reduce puffiness, you can do that. And it's, don't forget the psychological, not just the physical effects on the skin, but it's also the psychological effects. Any massage is good for you, and psychologically very good for aiding relaxation, ease the stress, etc. So the jade roller and the gua sha tool, they both have the function of, they're good for the lymph circulation, the microcirculation, how to get your skin glowing and healthier. But the main difference is with the gua sha tool, we're focusing also on acupressure points, and we're also breaking up the knottiness and tension at a deeper level. So this is more of a precise tool to break up the knotty adhesions under the skin and the fascia. So that's the main difference. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and until the next skincare video, I will say adios, over and out, and please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.